Eros e Lori Schinello vi danno il benvenuto in azienda. Vi accompagneremo nei nostri uffici, nel nostro piazzale, in produzione. Vi aiuteremo a capire meglio chi è ISOTEX.
Let's enter the ISOTEX offices. Elisa welcomes you and offers you coffee. Diana is the marketing manager. Cinzia is responsible for the logistics. Lara for customer management. Roberto is in charge of administration. Alessandro and Simone are our engineers. Giovanna is in administration. Christian, quality control. Monica, contracts and billing. Andrea on computers. Vincenzo in shipments. Our meeting room with Paolo, who is in charge of regulations and certifications. What's been written about ISOTEX? The ISOTEX company and its products have had much visibility in qualified magazines that deal with current affairs and specifications in the building sector. The storage yard for ISOTEX products. More than 50 kinds of products including form blocks, floors, partitions, noise barriers, for a quantity that is on average from 70 to 80,000 square meters. Let's enter the ISOTEX factory. We only use untreated pine wood without bark, dry. The entire production facility, consisting of 2 lines, is fully automated and managed by computers. The pine wood, Portland cement 99% pure, and iron oxide arrive at the mixer properly dosed. Once the mixture is ready, the wood cement is transported to the block-making machines that make blocks, floors, partitions, and noise barriers. A very important phase consists in 30 days of curing that takes place in the drying cells and in the outdoor yard. The products reach dimensional stability and are then subjected to 10 milling operations. At the exit of the 2 milling lines, the insulating inserts are automatically inserted. Once every hour, the blocks are checked for measurements and plumbing. The tolerances are more or less 2 millimeters on 1500 millimeters, 6 blocks for height, and more or less 2 millimeters of 2000 millimeters, 4 blocks for length. With speed and precision, the robot makes up the packages and then the 2 strapping machines strap the packages horizontally and vertically. At the plant exit, another machine removes the packages from the conveyor belt. Subsequently, the products are transported to the yard ready to be delivered. We enter in the floor panel production area. The rough floor elements inserted by the clamp on the line milled to make them very precise, pushed onto trolleys. The only operation done manually is inserting the reinforcements. With our concrete mixing equipment, we manufacture the concrete that, with the use of the dispenser, is inserted into the joists. The panels are custom-made and have the CE mark. We move on to the ISOTEX testing laboratory. The CE marking of form blocks and floors contemplates constant monitoring of the various features of the product. Davide, QC manager, shows us the bending test for blocks, which contemplates a minimum value, which for the block type tested is 0.220 kN kilonewton. The value obtained is 3.628 kN, more than 16 times the minimum value. The tensile test contemplates a minimum value which for the type of block is 1.63 kN. The value obtained is 3.754 kN, 2 to 3 times the minimum value. The dry density of wood cement that falls in the range of 459 to 561 kilograms per cubed meter is carefully monitored. Producing ISOTEX concrete, cubes of it are packaged for each individual customer and brought to the breaking point. On average, values greater than 30% are obtained, compared to the monitoring provided for by law. Samples of the bars are sent to accredited laboratories for further verifications. Polystyrene is also strictly monitored regarding size and resistance to compression. Even the wood we use is severely monitored. Ultimately, all of the raw materials used and the production processes of the blocks and floors are rigorously monitored in-house and by accredited third parties. These careful controls on the production, added to the certifications obtained on products in accordance with the regulations in force, are synonymous with absolute quality.